Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Citibank to Access Bank. So first, of course, you'll need to have an account in Citibank. And of course, if you don't have that, make sure to go and create that. So as you can see, we'll just go and read the frequently asked questions on Citibank Access to Access Bank transition. So as you can see, we're delighted to welcome you to a brand new world, bringing new opportunity or with opportunity and yet reassuringly filled with things that you love. Our acquisition to the customer banking business from Citi in India is complete, as you can see, from this date. And a change of this nature will require a transition phase, and we are committed to ensure that this is a seamless one. So during the transition, you will be able to enjoy the product's benefits, privileges, and the relationships you have been accustomed to. And of course, your bank account numbers on Citibank, debit card, and credit card, checkbooks, IFSC, and Merck as well. Oh, sorry, MICR codes all will remain the same and continue to use your Citi mobile app or Citibank online or reach out to Citi Phone, Relationship Manager, and Citibank branches, of course, which will be now branded as Access Bank for all your needs. So important information for our products and services that you can find here as an example, like branches and ATMs, bank accounts at Citibank, debit card, and etc. So you'll be able to see everything about us here. So depending on the question that you have, as an example, you can simply just go and click on it and you'll find the frequently asked questions asked here, of course, with the answer to each question. So how to convert Citibank to Access Bank? Basically, it's done automatically since from this date. But of course, you are now using Access Bank, but you can use it from the Citibank application or portal. So you may have not noticed the difference, of course, unless you read as an example what they sent you. Because they sent you like a notice that they will convert to Access Bank. So as you can see, another information here that you may want to know. I'll just like pause, or you can pause the video and read the answers here if you want, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.